Is your smoke or carbon monoxide alarm installed in the right location? Do you have too many detectors installed? Hello, I'm Craig from Resideo. Today, I want to talk to you about how proper placement of First Alert BRK smoke and CO alarms can keep a home and everyone in it safe and protected. According to the National Fire Protection Association, smoke and CO detectors should be installed on every level of the home, in every bedroom, and outside every sleeping area. Because smoke rises, smoke detectors should be installed in the center of the ceiling or high on the wall, no more than 12 inches from the ceiling. Although there is a myth that carbon monoxide is heavier than air, it is actually slightly lighter and it diffuses throughout the room evenly. Be sure to avoid installing detectors near windows and air ducts, drafty and dusty areas, insect-infested areas, or near bathrooms or the laundry room. If installing interconnected, hardwired detectors, make sure that the units are wired to the same fuse or circuit breaker. Up to 18 compatible units can interconnect, with a limit of 12 smoke or smoke-CO combination alarms. The remaining 6 units can be any other compatible alarm or device. Please keep in mind that specific legal requirements for smoke and CO alarm installation vary from state to state and from region to region. Check with the local fire department for current requirements in your area or visit the First Alert state legislation page. For additional information, please visit Resideo Academy. Thanks for watching.